Okay, number 10 asks you to draw a large acute triangle, so I went ahead and did that. It asks you to bisect one angle, draw in one altitude, draw in one median. So I did do my, excuse me, my triangle in blue just to kind of help keep it separate. I'm going to do my altitude first because I think that's probably the one people struggle with the most, and I don't want to muddy up my figure too much before I review with you how to find an altitude. So I'm just going to find the altitude from this vertex here. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to open my compass to go further than the distance from the vertex to the opposite side. Maybe I should review with you. An altitude is going to go from the vertex and is going to meet the opposite side at a 90-degree angle. Remember, this can happen outside of your triangle. Okay, so I'm going to swing that arc. And remember, we talked about sometimes it happens that you don't get those 2 points of intersection. So I just need to take and extend my line. Okay, so I've created 2 points of intersection there. I'm going to go down below, put my point on my point of intersection, and swing an arc. Go to my other point of intersection. I should put my glasses on, and swing an arc. There we go. Now I can draw in my altitude. Alright, so there's my altitude. It's gone from the vertex and it meets the opposite side at a 90-degree angle. Alright, there's my altitude. Now I want to do an angle bisector. Okay, so I can set my compass to anything I want. Put my point on my vertex. Swing an arc. I've now got 2 points of intersection. Put my point on one point of intersection, swing an arc. Go to the other point of intersection and swing an arc. And now I can draw in my angle bisector. Okay, then finally it wants a median. So median is going to go from a vertex and meet the opposite side at the midpoint. Okay, so I need to find the midpoint first. So I need to open my compass more than halfway. I'm going to do the perpendicular bisector here. So I'm going to swing my big arc, go to the other end, swing my big arc. So I can use my points of intersection from there. Okay, so there's my midpoint, right? Here's my midpoint, so I need to connect my midpoint to the opposite vertex. I'll do this one in pink because I'm getting a lot on my drawing already. Well, it's almost exactly the same thing. It doesn't always happen that way, so be careful. There we go. That would be my median.